Welcome to our tutorial on designing effective pop-up modals for push notifications. Today, we'll explore how to create engaging pop-ups that encourage visitors to subscribe. First, we'll select a pop-up template that aligns with our brand. We have options like the sleek opt-in box, Safari style box, and more, each offering a unique style and user experience. Customization is key. We'll edit our chosen pop-up to match our website's look and feel. This includes tweaking the message, button label, and colors. We'll ensure the design is clean and the call to action is clear. Segmentation is crucial for targeting. We'll select specific audience segments to show the pop-up to, like sales or updates, ensuring we reach the right users at the right time. Next, we'll set the display options. We can decide when the pop-up appears, such as after a delay or upon scrolling. We'll also set the cookie duration to avoid annoying users who've already opted out. Finally, we'll review our settings, test the pop-up to ensure it looks great, and then save and enable it. With these steps, we'll create a pop-up modal that not only looks great, but also effectively converts visitors into subscribers. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.